In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to copy a WhatsApp group link. Now, if you have created a WhatsApp group and you want to copy the link so you can send it to people which they can use to join the group, what you need to do is open the group like this and then tap on the group name at the top there. And from the group name, just scroll down until you see the list of participants. At the top of that list, you should see two options. One is to add participants. This one opens your phone book and you can select people from your contacts list to add to the group. And then the other option is called invite to group via link. So tap on that and it gives you a couple of options. You can send the link via WhatsApp, you can share the link through other methods, and also you have the option to copy the link. So once you tap on that, the link is copied to the clipboard, and now you can go ahead and add it wherever you want. So you can go wherever you want, really, like to a contact like this. Just tap on the message, paste, and that's going to send that WhatsApp group link to that user, which they can now use to join the group. And that's basically how to copy a WhatsApp group link on your iPhone or even Android phones. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.